Previously on Rick's Rides. A couple of hours east of our headquarters is the Palomar Mountain Loop. I try to ride it every now and then because it's so much fun. My route usually takes me through Old Town Temecula. Riding to the top of Palomar is definitely technical and challenging. But cruising down the mountain on the S7 County Road is much more relaxing and scenic. My favorite thing to do when I want to get away and relax is go for a long ride on my bike. And that's something that I've always loved doing, but especially running a business, being a father, being a husband, and all the other things that I have going on in my life, there's nothing like getting that bike out and going for a nice long ride on a beautiful scenic road, clearing my head and just reflecting on everything. And that's the best medicine that I've ever found. When I'm able to get away for a few days, I often find myself in Zion National Park. On my way out there, I like spending time in Las Vegas. There's always something fun and exciting going on. In a way, going there first makes me appreciate the national park even more. Vegas is so different than Zion, and I can't resist a small detour when riding past there. The stretch of road between Vegas and Zion starts out straight with wide open landscape on both sides of the road. But as I get closer to my destination, the highway hugs and twists around mountains with big sweeping turns. When riding at night, there's no lights, and there's usually a lot of heavy winds, so use extreme caution. Tucked in the southwest corner of Utah, Zion is one of my favorite places to ride. It was established as a national park back in 1919. The reddish tan color of the Navajo sandstone mountains make me feel like I'm in another world. Zion Canyon stretches almost 15 miles long and as much as a half a mile deep. You never know what kind of weather you're going to get. One day it can be sunny and warm, and the next day it can be cold and wet. So you want to be sure that you pack accordingly. Critters are everywhere here, including 19 species of bats. And thankfully, I didn't see a single one. But I did run into a lone bighorn sheep perched on the side of a mountain. That was pretty cool. I also came across a family of deer, and I had a photo shoot with one of them. Keep in mind that late spring through early fall is when it's most crowded. As a result, the Zion Canyon Scenic Drive is closed to cars and motorcycles from early April through late October. There are many points of interest. My favorite part are the switchbacks that lead to the Zion Mount Carmel Tunnel. I've traveled to a lot of places on my wing over the years, but I find myself returning to Zion again and again because it is so beautiful and it's really nature at its best.